Which is better for your health, cold brew or hot brew hibiscus tea? Today, we're breaking it down so you'll know exactly which one to sip on for maximum flavor and benefits. Hibiscus tea has been enjoyed for centuries across the world. In Egypt, it's called karkadi and often served during special occasions. In West Africa, it's a popular beverage known as bissap. Its vibrant red color and tangy flavor make it a favorite in many cultures. Hot brewing is the traditional way to make hibiscus tea. You add the dried petals to boiling water, steep for 5 to 10 minutes, and strain. The pros? It has a strong, bold, tangy flavor. It releases antioxidants and vitamin C quickly. And it's perfect when you want a warming, soothing cup. The cons? It can be a little too tart for some people, and heat may slightly reduce delicate compounds like certain enzymes. Hot brewed hibiscus tea may also help support healthy blood pressure levels. Some studies suggest that drinking hibiscus tea regularly can contribute to cardiovascular health. It's also been linked to liver health and may help with mild inflammation. Now let's look at cold brew hibiscus tea. Cold brewing means you steep hibiscus petals in cold water for 8 to 12 hours in the fridge. The pros? It has a naturally sweeter, less tart flavor. It preserves delicate antioxidants that may be heat sensitive. And it's refreshing and hydrating, especially in hot weather. The cons? It takes more time to prepare, and the flavor is lighter, which some people may find too mild. Cold brewed hibiscus tea may also be slightly higher in certain polyphenols, which are compounds that support overall wellness and help fight inflammation. Some people prefer it for its smooth taste and the ability to enjoy it chilled over ice. So which one should you choose? If you want fast, bold, warming flavor, go with hot brew. If you prefer a refreshing, smoother, antioxidant-packed drink, try cold brew. Many tea lovers enjoy both, depending on the season and mood. Here's a bonus tip. You can experiment with adding flavors like cinnamon, ginger, mint, or even a splash of citrus. Not only does this enhance the taste, but it may also add additional health benefits, like aiding digestion and boosting immunity. Another tip is to adjust the steeping time. For hot brew, longer steeping gives a stronger, more tart flavor. For cold brew, you can taste every few hours to reach the sweetness level you prefer. You can also mix hibiscus tea with other herbal teas. For example, blending it with rose hips, chamomile, or lemongrass can create unique flavors while adding extra antioxidants and nutrients. Hibiscus tea is naturally caffeine-free, making it a great alternative to black or green tea, especially in the evening. You can enjoy it hot to relax or cold to refresh without worrying about stimulating your sleep. Another fun idea: try making hibiscus tea ice cubes. Freeze your cold brew tea in ice trays and add the cubes to other drinks. It adds flavor without diluting your beverage and keeps it colorful and refreshing. So, are you team hot brew or team cold brew hibiscus tea? Try both and see which one fits your taste and lifestyle best. Share your favorite ways to enjoy hibiscus tea in the comments below.